Your car is a complex machine, a marvel of modern engineering. It's made up of thousands of parts, all working together in perfect harmony to get you from point A to point B. It's easy to take your car for granted, but it's important to remember that it needs regular maintenance to keep running smoothly and efficiently. One of the most important things you can do for your car is to be aware of the early warning signs of trouble, which can save you from major headaches down the road. This essay will focus on 3 common car problems: engine knocking, gearbox issues, and clutch wear, which are often overlooked but crucial to address. By learning to recognize the symptoms of these problems, you can catch them early and avoid costly repairs, ensuring your car remains reliable. Don't worry if you're not a car expert. This guide is designed to be accessible to everyone. This essay is written in plain English, so even a beginner can understand the basics of car maintenance and troubleshooting. We'll explain everything in simple terms and provide clear examples to make the information easy to grasp. Remember, a little knowledge can go a long way in keeping your car on the road and running smoothly for years to come, giving you peace of mind and saving you money. Imagine this: you're driving down the road and you hear a strange knocking sound coming from your engine. It's a rhythmic tapping or pinging that gets louder when you accelerate. This is engine knocking, also known as detonation or pinging. Engine knocking is a serious problem that can cause significant damage to your engine if left unchecked. It occurs when the air-fuel mixture in the engine's cylinders ignites unevenly, creating multiple flame fronts that collide and produce the knocking sound. Recognizing engine knocking is crucial, as ignoring it can lead to catastrophic engine failure. The sound of engine knocking is often described as a metallic pinging, tapping, or rattling. It's most noticeable when the engine is under load, such as when accelerating or climbing hills. If you suspect your engine is knocking, it's essential to address the issue promptly. Continued driving with engine knocking can lead to damaged pistons, cylinder walls, and other engine components, resulting in costly repairs or even engine replacement. To prevent engine knocking, ensure you're using the correct fuel grade for your vehicle and maintain regular engine checkups. Regular maintenance, such as timely oil changes and engine tune-ups, can help keep your engine running smoothly and prevent knocking. By taking these precautions, you can enjoy a smoother, quieter ride and extend the life of your engine. Several factors can contribute to engine knocking. One common culprit is using low-octane fuel in an engine designed for higher octane. Octane rating indicates a fuel's resistance to knocking. Using fuel with a lower octane rating than recommended can cause premature ignition and lead to engine knocking. Another common cause is a buildup of carbon deposits in the engine's combustion chambers. Carbon deposits can act as glow plugs, igniting the air-fuel mixture prematurely and causing knocking. Other factors that can contribute to engine knocking include incorrect ignition timing. If the spark plugs ignite the air-fuel mixture too early or too late, it can disrupt the combustion process and lead to knocking. Lean air-fuel mixture. A lean air-fuel mixture, which means too much air, can burn hotter and increase the likelihood of knocking. Overheating. Excessive engine heat can cause the air-fuel mixture to ignite prematurely, leading to knocking. Preventing engine knocking is crucial for maintaining the health and longevity of your engine. Engine knocking, also known as pinging, can cause significant damage if not addressed promptly. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to prevent knocking is to use the correct octane fuel recommended by your car's manufacturer. Using a higher octane fuel than necessary can be wasteful, while using a lower octane fuel can lead to knocking. Refer to your owner's manual or the sticker inside your fuel filler door to determine the recommended octane rating for your vehicle. This information is crucial for ensuring optimal engine performance. Regular maintenance is also key to preventing engine knocking. This includes routine inspections and timely servicing of various engine components. Ensure your car receives timely oil changes using the recommended oil grade for your engine. The right oil helps lubricate engine parts and reduce friction. Dirty oil can contribute to carbon buildup, which can lead to knocking. Regular oil changes help keep your engine clean and running smoothly. Additionally, have your spark plugs inspected and replaced according to your car's maintenance schedule. Spark plugs play a vital role in the ignition process. Worn spark plugs can cause ignition problems that contribute to knocking. Replacing them ensures efficient combustion and smooth engine operation. Finally, be mindful of your driving habits. How you drive can significantly impact your engine's health. Avoid hard acceleration and lugging the engine, which means driving at low RPMs in a high gear, as these driving styles can put excessive strain on the engine and increase the risk of knocking. Smooth and steady driving is always best. By following these preventative measures and addressing any signs of engine knocking promptly, you can help ensure the long-term health and performance of your car's engine. A well-maintained engine not only runs better but also lasts longer, saving you money in the long run. Alright, let's dive into the fascinating world of gears. You know, gears are like the unsung heroes of your vehicle, working tirelessly behind the scenes. They ensure that power is efficiently transferred from the engine to the wheels, making your ride smooth and enjoyable. Now imagine this, every time you shift gears, it's like conducting a symphony with each gear playing its part to perfection. It's truly a marvel of engineering. So next time you're driving, take a moment to appreciate the intricate dance of gears working in harmony. And remember, keeping your gears well maintained is crucial for the longevity of your car. Regular checkups and timely oil changes can make a world of difference. Trust me, your car will thank you for it. Alright, let's dive into some common gearbox problems. First up, you might experience difficulty shifting gears. This could be due to low transmission fluid or worn out gears. Another issue is a grinding noise when you shift. This often points to a worn clutch or synchronizer. And of course, don't forget about leaking transmission fluid. This can lead to serious damage if not addressed promptly. Make sure to keep an eye out for these signs to avoid costly repairs. Now, let's talk about connecting and disconnecting power. When you start your car, the battery provides the initial power to the starter motor. This, in turn, gets the engine running. Once the engine is on, the alternator takes over, supplying power to the car and recharging the battery. Disconnecting power, on the other hand, is usually done by turning off the ignition, which stops the engine and cuts off the power supply. Remember, always ensure your connections are secure to avoid any electrical issues. Moving on to the signs of a worn clutch. One of the most common indicators is a slipping clutch, where the engine revs but there's little to no acceleration. You might also notice a burning smell, which is a telltale sign of clutch wear. Another symptom is difficulty shifting gears, especially into first or reverse. If you experience any of these signs, it might be time to get your clutch checked out. Well, there you have it. We've covered some essential car maintenance tips, from common gearbox problems to signs of a worn clutch. Remember, regular maintenance can save you a lot of time and money in the long run. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, drive safe and take care of your car.